everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw fox. Welcome to How to Draw. Step 1. Start by drawing a valley with a slightly triangular feel to it. Step 2. Draw an arch. This completes the shape of the fox's head. Step 3. Draw arches within the head. Step 4. Draw ears and facial features, eyes and nose and snout. Keep the shape simple. Step 5. Draw the shape below the head, almost like you would draw a heart just without the top. Step 6. Draw 2 legs. Step 7. Continue drawing the body. Make a curve on the right and left side. Step 8. Draw the tail. Step 9. Add the last touches, any little details you want, specifically to the tip of the tail. And all done! You just learned how to draw a fox. Once you have it colored, feel free to share it with us on our Facebook page. And stay tuned for next Saturday at 1 to see what we're going to be drawing.